Ang daming times na naghihirap talaga sila eh. Kasi nakita ko yung iyak nila, nakita ko yung tawa nila, nakita ko rin yung hard work nila.
This 8 talaga, may certain magic sila eh, nung nagsama-sama na sila.
Isang malaking challenge din, paano sila ipapakilala.
One day, it just came to me na I want to call them B.
What is known as P-pop now becoming pop.
The nation's girl group making waves.
Sa iba-ibang lugar sa bansa, at rehearsal para sa 3-day sold-out concert.
It was our first ever solo con.
Parang it's now or never, ganung labanan. Wala pang 1 month yung preparation namin.
One concert is hard enough. Can they survive 3 days?
Wala, kailangan natin panindigan to. Ginusto natin to. Wala pa kaming 4-year-old.
If it's not going to fly, then maybe we have to make the tough one.
Iba yung nararamdaman ko. Parang umabot na siya sa ilong ko.
Nagulat ako kasi pagkalingon ko, nagdudugo na talaga yung ilong ni Gwen.